Hello and welcome to the last video of the series. I am your host Argyros Argyridis, and in this video we will see how we can finalize our orthoimagery project in OrthoPhoto IO. As you can see, we have already navigated to step 4, where we will instruct the system to generate the final orthophoto in its correct resolution. However, the system informs us that we do not have enough credits to complete the process. This can be seen in both step 4 and below our account name in the top right corner. Let's add some credits by pressing the Buy Credits. This navigates us to the Available Packages section, where we can select the package which suits our needs. After we select our package, we navigate to the checkout page, where we should provide our billing details and of course our credit card number. After completing the order and payment, we can navigate back to the main page. In the past payment section under the available packages, we can retrieve our receipt. Refreshing the page updates our credits in the upper right corner, which have been increased by the amount of credits we selected to buy. Let's navigate to our projects, select our current one and finalize the orthorectification process. Now in step 4, we have the Finalize Project button available. After we press it, we see that a message appears indicating that our project is being processed. A relevant message is also displayed in the project list on the upper left corner of our project. Producing the final output depends on server load, so might take some time before it's ready. When the final orthophoto is ready, the status of the project is changed to finished. Also, we have two additional options available on the Project Actions menu. The first one is to download the final raw output. The second one enables us to copy a WMS URL which provides remote access to our data. Furthermore, when we navigate inside OrthoPhoto IO, we can see in step 3 the output in its final resolution. The geometric accuracy is exactly the same as a pixelated one, but with much more detail. Navigating to step 4 also provides us with the same options for data acquisition as the project panel. Now we will download our data by pressing the download button. Prior to using our data inside a GIS or a CAD system, we have to extract the downloaded archive. Let's have a quick look of our dataset inside QGIS. Dragging and dropping the image inside QGIS blank area will automatically load it and allow us to see it. Thank you for watching this mini tutorial series on OrthoPhoto iOS capabilities. Feel free to contact us with your questions and observations. See you soon!